Building Momentum's mobile lab is an affordable, modular, on-the-go workspace for rapid design, development, and deployment of solutions in the field. The mobile lab was designed from the ground up to be the most effective prototyping lab at the most economical price point. Capabilities are customized depending on use case and can include fabrication tools like 3D printing, metal milling, CNC wood routing, and laser cutting, as well as state-of-the-art electronics testing, diagnostics, mechatronics, and even drone development and piloting. The lab is powered by a battery wall, which can be charged by the provided solar panels or by connecting to the generator or local power grid. Fully customizable starting at $170,000, Building Momentum's mobile lab provides extraordinary capability at an extremely competitive price. Learn more about Building Momentum and our mobile lab at buildmo.com.